Hey, welcome back to SLG TV. Today's video is all about landing page mistakes that I see coaches make when they're trying to sell their programs or courses. And these mistakes definitely cost them. So be sure to stick around until the end because I'm giving away a free resource, which is a landing page template, and you definitely don't want to miss it. Okay, let's get right to it. Landing pages are such a valuable tool when you're launching a course or selling your programs, but sometimes things just go wrong. And I'm here to serve as your business coach to make sure you avoid these pitfalls and create a landing page that converts and helps you sell out your programs and run your business like a badass boss. So if you've had a launch that didn't get you the results you were hoping for, or if you have a launch coming up, then check out these 4 landing page mistakes to be sure your next launch is a huge success. Landing page mistake number 1, vague language. And when you're talking to everyone, you're talking to no one. First things first, get clear on exactly who you're talking to. Think about your dream client and use clear and direct language to talk specifically to that person. It's important to know that when your messaging addresses a vague audience, people are going to be confused and they will most likely leave the page without taking the action you were hoping for. Here's the thing, friend, no one has time to decipher the language you use when sharing your offer or read through long poetic descriptions. So it's best to get to the point and be direct. We want your soulmate clients to know for certain that this offering is for them, that they're the perfect match to work with you, and that the program you put together is just what they need to reach their goals. So bluntly put on your landing page who your offering is for, who it's not for, the problems it solves, and the results they can expect. Landing page mistake number 2, not mobile friendly. At the time of this video, research shows that 50% of landing pages are not mobile friendly. That is crazy. Think about how much time you spend online on your phone versus on your laptop or your desktop computer. For most people, it's a lot more, and that includes your potential clients. And now that we're on this topic, I'm curious, where do you consume most of your content? Is it on your phone or on your computer? Go ahead and drop a comment below and let me know. Now back to being mobile friendly. Coach, it's non-negotiable for your landing pages to be mobile friendly if you want the greatest results. Luckily, most of the new templates out there are already mobile friendly, but if you have some landing pages that have been sitting out on the internet for a while, it's a smart idea to go and check them out to make sure that they look good on your phone too. An easy way to check this out when you're on your computer is to drag the corner of your view window over to the left, making a tall, narrow view area, just like how your phone looks. If it's responsive or if everything stacks up nicely and it's still easy to read in that narrow view, that means it's mobile friendly. If text and images are cut off and you have to scroll left or right to read sections, it's not. So whether you're checking on your computer or on your phone, the point here is to check because this could potentially be one of the reasons why your offerings aren't converting. Landing page mistake number 3, full of clutter. Landing pages can look like they have a lot of clutter when there's too much color or a color palette that's not complementary. It can look like too much clutter if there are too many font styles or if there are visuals and images that aren't pleasing or complementary. It could also look like too much clutter if there's too many paragraphs and not enough text breaks, and if there's too many buttons that lead to different places. Now, we don't want your landing page to look like Canva threw up all over the place. When pages are full of clutter, it overwhelms the eye and is extremely difficult to navigate. We want the opposite of this for your landing page. When you use a white background with a lot of empty space, black text, and pops of your brand color, it's much easier to navigate and people will be more likely to consume the content you've created for them. You also don't want to go too crazy with your fonts. So go ahead and do some research on font families and font pairings to find the perfect combination of fonts that reflect your brand. Simple is better in all aspects of your landing page because too much design can be overwhelming and cause your reader to click off the page. Landing page mistake number 4, no FOMO. Now, whether you're doing an evergreen launch or an open and close cart date, you still want to add some FOMO to the mix. A little urgency never hurt anyone. So make it clear to your potential customer that the FOMO aspect of your offer will not last forever. So maybe it's early bird pricing or a special one-on-one session with you or a bonus that they could only get for a certain amount of time. Whatever it is, be sure you're serious about the offer, and when it's over, don't give exceptions. To help customers know when their time is up or almost up, you can have a countdown clock feature right on the page that ticks down the hours and minutes left that people have to opt in. When someone sees that, oh shit, I only have 3 more days to jump into this amazing course or get this bonus, for example, they're more likely to take action. Overall, the purpose of your landing page is to make your potential customer excited to work with you and to feel like by not working with you, they're missing out on a huge opportunity, mainly because they are. Okay, coach, now you have the 4 landing page mistakes to avoid so that you can build a landing page that converts. And as promised, I've created a free landing page template for you to use as a helpful guide for your next course launch or your next offer. So go ahead and download that for free by clicking the link in the description below. Also, if this video is just what you needed in your coaching business, then you're definitely going to like the next video I'm dropping because it's all about copywriting that converts. So be sure to stick around on the channel by subscribing so you don't miss a thing. Okay, friend, until next time, keep building your empire.